Hello friends, I am Karthik Kumar Agarwal Advocate and you are watching my channel Bharti Law. In today's session, let's talk about renewal or restoration of the trademarks. We all know that as per section 25, the duration of trademark registration is 10 years. After every 10 years, you need to renew the trademark or you need to apply again for the renewal of the trademark. Now, that renewal request has to go under TMR, that is the form number, and the fees for instituting TMR is 10,000 rupees. So, how does this renewal or the restoration process works? So, first and foremost, a notice is sent by the registrar to the applicant, to the owner of the trademark, the proprietor of the trademark. So, this is given under Rule 58, as per which 6 months prior to the expiry of the trademark, a notice will be sent. This notice will not be sent if you have already applied for the renewal of the trademark. But if you have not applied, then 6 months prior to the expiry of the trademark, a notice will be sent by the registrar to the proprietor to intimate him about the oncoming expiration date. This notice is again, the relevant rule is Rule 58. Post this, you have these 6 months. Within this 6 months, you need to apply for the renewal. If you have not applied for the renewal within 6 months, the trademark will remain on register for next 1 year. If you have not applied within this 1 year, then this trademark will be removed from the register. So, and there will be an advertisement for removal if you have not applied for the restoration. Up till here, it will be the renewal process. From here, it's the restoration process which will happen. So if you have not applied for the renewal, for the restoration, then an advertisement for the removal from the register will happen. And this is given under Rule 60. And this advertisement for removal will be under Rule 59. If you have applied for the restoration, an application has been made for restoration of the trademark, then an advertisement for restoration will happen. This is Rule 61. This is only up till the one year period. Post that, the trademark will be open for anyone to get registered. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, you can always drop them in the comment section below. Please do like this video and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.